Hey, monster under the bed. I don't even know what that means. What kind of monster under the bed? Anyways, Emily, let's see what you got. Oh, no captions. Oh wait, hold up. Let me turn it up. She walking. Where's she walking to? Cause why not production? Monster under the bed. Wait, let me see the credits. Let me see the credits. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. Directed by Yuri Park. Let's get it. Co-directed by Emily May and Dimitri's Face. I think that's how it is. Edit color. Yuri Park. Okay, edit and / color. I love a good editor. And you know what? Coloring, like color correction is hard. Special thanks to Stacy. Oh, is it the Stacy I know? Maybe. Arthur and Lika or Lika? I think so. The monster under the bed. Oh, there she is, Miss Emily. Oh.
Each breath got me thinking about you. Perfect little rhythm like, yeah. Sunlight on your body.
Oh, it's like some school is. Oh, you bumping into boys? Little taste. Little taste.
I want to cloud your judgment. Drinking about you till pouring and your dream.
Oh, okay.
I want you saying that in there.
Okay. Oh, sorry for the pause, but dang, you feel type of way. I see.
Keep you safe, so your mind will always be there. Yeah, hands on your skin like that. Can't stop, push, stay like that. Just us in the universe, but you painted all black and you got me like that. Yeah, you can call me crazy.
Crazy. Oh, yeah, that's Stacy. Oh, same guy, but you're. Wait, ain't that the same guy that you like have a crush on, but he with another girl? What? Uh-oh. Wait, hold up. What did this turn into? What did this Oh! Girl. You just kidnapped the boy? Hold on, wait, what did this turn to? I did not expect this to be the turn, Miss Ma'am. That's why you don't mess with. Listen, y'all, don't mess with people. Sometimes you never know what they're capable of. Now I gotta look. Every time I'm with Emily, I gotta like look and just make sure I'm okay. I don't think nothing's gonna happen. Oh, she's the monster underneath your bed. I see. Don't be drinking. Oh, that's her. Did she say your screams are getting boring? I just want a little taste. Your screams, then getting kinda boring. My ones you can't ignore it. Girly. And your screams can say that I don't enjoy it. It's a chase that keeps me going. Oh yeah. Nails on your body like that. Know how you look it like that. Don't say you don't wanna play. Love your body like that, and I gotta like that, yeah. You can call me crazy, but I know you love me. I don't wanna fight, not tonight. You what the hell's happening? Don't know you don't deserve me. Why you always hurt me? I don't wanna. Oh, she crazy. Okay. Know why you lie. Oof. That is Yuri. Yes, that is Yuri, and he directed and edited this actually, which is, and he starred in this too. So impressive. Clap it up. That was fire. Wait, he's obsessed with her?
Wait, who's talking who? Wait, bitch. That's why. Listen, this is the exact technique I do in the clubs. How you drink stuff? I put my 2 fingers on the shot glass. Throw it on the floor. This is how I survived my times in Korea. Okay, Miss Ma'am is slaying though. What? Wait, what did it say? Oh, it just said monster underneath the bed. Okay, okay. What? Girl. The story will continue. What the hell? Hold up, let me see this. So, right. Okay, Miss Ma'am is slaying, first of all. But this little twist at the end is fire, though. I'll give it a dope, dope, dope. Interesting. They both crazy. They're both made for each other, basically. She slayed it though. Okay, let's go. Let's go, friend. Fire shot right there. They have some really fire shots in here. The coloring and like the editing and color correction in here, fire. So they're both like, they're both crazy. There's a series called You Is What This MV's Giving. I see what you mean. Oh my god, girl. She has some other stuff like Mania, Ain't Ready. There's a lot of stuff here that she did. Go check it out, y'all. Go check it out. Big up to Emily. Big up to Yuri too for directing and editing. That's fire. Go check it out. Just released. Alright, y'all.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.